Isn't that funny how that happens? Right under the boat. The blue-green algae coming in here. This thing, I think it's just on top. Alright, the first bass in daylight. Oh! This bum arm is killing me. That fish, I watched him on the fish finder. He still almost took the bait from me. There you guys, pretty decent one. Look at that one! Good dive. Another fish, guys. He's gonna come up probably. We're gonna spot lock this just in case. He's a little guy. He ain't very big, I can tell you that for free. But he bit right off. You know, it's funny, these fish were right here the whole time. And now they start biting. This fish biting, they're fighting better than the last one. It's definitely way smaller. Come on. Little fat guy though. Alright, second. Well, second bass since it's been light for me. They're a pike or it's a smallie. Got him again. It's a smaller smallie. Told you I'd get one of the next cast. Ow! Jumps right back in the water. Ah! That is called the skin hook right there. Alright guys, another one. Nothing to right. Nope, there's a bite. That was a dunk. Hopefully they saw that. Oh, come on. Yep. Yippee! Yep. Alright. So a third or fourth? Third. Here he comes. Up she goes. That's a largemouth, I think. No, yep, it is a largemouth. There you go. Don't hurt yourself with that. Oh, Mike. Come on. Get you little pecker. Can't keep up with him. Oh, see him? There we go. See how he bit? It's like a perch. Ooh, what do we got here? Pike? What is that? It looked like a bass at first, but it's fighting like a bass. But oh, it's a walleye. Just kidding. Walleye don't fight like that, that's for sure, unless it's monsters. Try to put on the power on me. Definitely fight like a smallmouth. Oh yeah. Now to try to. Oh, okay, we got it. You should be able to get your bait. Yeah, I was gonna say it's coming over. Biting some weird today. Got my bait. Alright guys, another one. That's a no, not a bad one. Mike's got one, didn't even know it probably. That one's hurting him. Yeah, and he lost it. Yeah, oh yeah, should have. Oh, there he goes again. Gonna say I should have yanked. And then he bit again. They're pretty aggressive because you miss them the first time, they bite again. What's this, a largie? Largemouth. Not what we want, but it is a largemouth. Kind of like the opposite of a berry girl. A little fat guy though. I wish I got that on camera. It was a good hop. There's a couple right in front of me still, like 20 feet in front. Kind of where this fish is fighting me right now. They were probably following it. How you doing, smallmouth? He's a pretty good little fighter. Might have got that on there. You got one of the ones? I'm telling you, he's got one too. Oh, that's a good one. Largemouth. He's got a largemouth, I got a smallmouth. Gotta love Champlain. Ready? You just hand that back to me right when you're done there. All right. Gotta love Champlain. Yeah. And smallmouth. Largemouth, smallies like it. Could be anything. Probably a pike, pumpkin seed. Think it's pumpkin seed? Could be a bass. You just don't know how to fight fish. Just kidding. Largemouth, good largemouth, 4-pounder. Probably 4-pounder, baby. Nice one. Oh, you just hit me right there.
Macaroni. About a 4-pounder, if you're right.
You don't want it to be? 8. Oh, it's a good one for sure. Oh, it might be 5. It looks thin.
Late, actually, yeah.
It's thin. $4.71. Want to hold it again? I'll take a picture of it. Reel it in and catches it. Yep. Nice. Oh, there's a bite. Uh-oh. It's a decent fish too. Could be. Yeah. Not quite 5 pounds, that's for sure, but I'll take it. All right. Great thing about largemouth, you get your tube back. I don't care how quick you are with that tube and smallmouth. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. Go fat, 3-0, 3-1. Probably the same thing as this is, except for this is not big. Alright guys, largemouth. Bottom, those other things we were seeing were bluegills and stuff. Two in a row. There's some fish here at least. It does help when nobody else has probably fished it yet for bass. Unlike the days we go when there's 50 people already here.
Yeah.
Another fish, guys. Told ya. That's fun. Hope you saw that. There's another one down there too, 40 feet in front of the boat. A pile of them down there actually now. You're a good kid. Extremely homosexual, but good kid. Okay, I'm gonna try to use all my shit here. I can't see them. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Okay, get over here. Oh, there's a rock right there, too. Let him go. All right. This little smallie. Little fatty. Isn't that fucking crazy? That is so fucking cool. I'll have to edit out those swears maybe? Nah, we're good. But it's so cool when you get them like that. It'd be cool if I was recording the footage too, but those fish were behind the rock. Not like, oh, you little turd, spit my luck, or spit my bait. Usually they're pretty big, the ones that are out and this kind of stuff, but they're not really schools, just a little couple here, couple there type thing. A little 1.5er. Who? You got one? I do. Feels like a good one too. Looks like a fucking perch, didn't it? Definitely a perch. A little largemouth. Looked dinky when it jumped. I think it's pretty small. You probably already got one, dude. I'd lift up. You're gonna literally. All right. Those guys, see how close those guys were to catching fish? What do you got on? Oh yeah, you'll see a fucking fly. Probably tons of them over here. Look, Mike, can't handle this fish, guys. This is hurting him bad, this fish is. He's got the net right next to him. Oh, Jesus. Here. There, you got him. It's a 3 pound something, probably. Oh, I just had a good one. Oh, that's 4 pounds, probably. You're doing it like back where you're pulling the hook like into them to make it go in further.
382.
Way off. 381. There you go. 381.
Not bad.
Got a leech in his mouth. Michael. Smallmouth. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, it's not that big even. So we haven't caught one in about an hour and a half. Holy crap! He bit like a fucking perch, like boop, 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 boop. Almost didn't even set the hook. I can grab it. No deal. You're good. Oh, it's about a 20-inch white perch. Oh boy, look what he just spit up. There he goes. Another fishy. Show you what he spit up. Look at that. That is a perch. It's got a spiny back. Perch. Fish at 60 feet too, which must be right on shore. There's one at 40, which is probably a small. Oh, there's a bite. God, I love this active target, dude. Oh, it's a good smallie. They're so light colored too. It's hard to tell. Like, you'd think that was a freaking largemouth if you first saw it. So light color. Felt great. The bait went all the way up there. Ah. How you doing, fish? Hi. My bait. It's not a bad one. Ouch. Ow! It's squeezed right into the hook. The hook's on the bottom. I hate that. Ouch. We got it out. Oh, unbelievable. And we got a fish right off. Got it out and lifted up and it was already on. Big fish too. Sheephead, a baby one. This is like the kind you want for dinner. All right, guys, a little sheephead.